Hello and welcome to your Uke Beatlemania challenge. The goals of this challenge are to help you establish a practice routine, help you learn new skills, and learn to play new songs. There will be skills here that may be outside of your comfort zone, and so for that I've created a little playlist here to help you prepare for this challenge. The videos here are from the 30-day Uke challenge. If you already did it, I highly recommend that you review these videos. And if you haven't done it, then I recommend you go through the 30-day Uke challenge first, because Beatles songs are not easy. Although they sound like they're almost simple, they're really not easy. So I do recommend that you get a little bit of background knowledge first. This is day 1, so you do have homework. I'll be reading from my notes. So number 1, make sure that you set up your uke zone. You need an area where you will be practicing your ukulele. It needs to be well lit. You should have a place where you can put either the music that I'll be creating for you, a stand, or your iPad or a computer, somewhere like that. And then set a goal date for when you will finish. Even though that this challenge is only 10 days, for some people it takes 20 days or 30 days. So establish a goal that's going to work for you. Sorry if you hear my cat meowing in the background. I would like for you to take your instrument to a music shop, and this part won't cost you anything. Take your instrument to a music shop or to a very seasoned player and ask them to check the action of your instrument. The action is the distance from the strings to the fingerboard. And to tell you if it's too high or too low, that part should be free. To get it repaired, it should either be very affordable or might just cost you new strings. If you wanted to get new strings, you don't have to. That would be something that like a music shop technician can help you with. But Beatles songs will have bar chords. That's when you have to press more than one chord with a finger. And I know you will be much more successful if the action is correct. With a lot of kind of cheap ukuleles, the nut will be very high, so the strings will be very high. So it'll be very painful to press some of those strings or to do bar chords. You think like, why don't mine come out like other people, or other people make it look effortless? What's wrong with me? It might be the action of your instrument, like the string to fingerboard height. So have that looked at before we head into this challenge, because the bar chords with Beatles songs are kind of inevitable. This is a new homework assignment. You don't need to do it today, but for future days you will. I would like for you to record yourself and record video. You don't have to post it. If you do want to post it, I'll have the hashtag here, but you don't have to post it. This is more for you to reflect, because you'll watch the video and see how I do it. And then when you see a video of yourself doing it, you'll see like little mistakes or little adjustments that you can fix. The other homework assignment, if you haven't already done so, is subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications. That way you'll get the little notification on your phone or through email or however you receive notifications letting you know that a new video is out. And finally, I'm only adding this bit because people asked from the last challenge. If you would like to support this channel, there are free ways to do it and there are paid ways to do it. So let me tell you the free ways first. YouTube rewards this channel by showing it to more people when you hit the like button or when you comment or when you share videos. Like, this is how YouTube sees that there's engagement in the channel, and it encourages more people to watch by putting me higher up on search results. I believe if you watch the ads like in the beginning or end or in between the video, that also helps my channel. If you don't skip, if you watch, but if you don't want to, that's okay. I don't want you to feel like you have to sit there for a long ad if you don't want to. I'm just letting you know ways that help this channel out. And if you wanted to make a donation or join our Patreon, I'll have those linked down below. If you would like for me to see your videos and see your performance or give you feedback, then make sure and use the hashtag on Instagram. That way I can just kind of give you a quick comment or let you know how you're doing. This way your video will just automatically pop up on my feed and I'll see it and be able to kind of guide you if you need any guidance or praise you if you're doing really well. Alrighty guys, good luck through the challenge. I will see you at the end. Sayonara!